Hi, this is Maddie Brown with Smashing Numbers, and I want to talk to you today about what do you want 2019 to look like? Did you make your financial expectations for 2018? Do you know the answer to that question? Now is the time of year to recap what happened in 2018 and to plan for what you want to have happen in 2019. Next Wednesday, December 12th, I am hosting a workshop to help you pull together those numbers, and I encourage you to check it out. It is going to be a lot of fun, and it is going to be a working workshop. So you're going to come away from it with some real tangible planning tools that you can use to do a good job of moving into 2019. The Tax Act that was passed in 2017, last December, has dramatic impact on all taxpayers. It is going to be a huge transition for us. In the 40 years that I've been involved in taxes in this country, this is one of the biggest reform acts that has ever been passed. So there's going to be dramatic changes. Most people are not going to itemize deductions any further. There's really a lot going on, and we're going to talk about that next week on the 12th in more depth, and I encourage you to participate. Now is the time to get your plan in place and to recap and find out exactly where you are for 2018, because you still have opportunities. There's one old general rule that you can always follow, and that is you need to accelerate expenses into this year and defer income into next year if you have control of those things. But if you don't know where you are at this point, it's terribly difficult to do the kind of tax planning that will really make it save you money. The main way that I see people lose deductions and not get all of the deductions that they're entitled to is by not having the records and not keeping track of what has happened throughout the year. Now is the time to do that. I talked to someone yesterday that hasn't filed 2016, hasn't filed 2017. He's just hoping to find the big chunks of expenses, and that's going to cost him tax dollars. And if he had the records in place, he would save himself significant money in the tax realm. So you want to be absolutely certain. In general, every $100 of deductions that you come up with is going to save you roughly 30% in taxes. That's $30 for every 100 spent. So you need to make sure that you're keeping track of all your expenses. That's the biggest way that I see people paying too much taxes. If you will join us next week, we were going to have fun, and we will look forward to seeing you then.